Komanda. Pole sana. Unajikaza kabisa. I bring you best wishes from President William Ruto, Sakifere Kindiki, the IG. Natumani chungu ameniambia ulikuwa kwapi. Pole sana ndugu yangu. You are getting better? I'm getting better. So we are managing the pain. We will take the and the wound now. Yes. So we manage to out of the fear. Yeah. Pole sana, you got injured in the line of duty. Yeah. But these are the risks that we have all accepted to take in the line of duty. And I want to commend you for your bravery and those of your men. And the fact that they are attacking you shows that what you are doing is wrong. Yeah? We wish you quick recovery. The doctors have told me you are doing well.
This is the surgeon.
Yeah. You are the surgeon. How did it go? Went well?
Oh, thank you. Welcome, Your Excellency. We received our patient yesterday.
Yes.
With a severe knee injury,
yes,
having been shot with a missile,
yes,
which was an arrow.
Yes.
We were able to stabilize him.
Yes.
And
I hope it was not barbed. Was it barbed?
Oh, it was
barbed. You know, sometimes they make some arrows and they
oh, this one was not barbed.
Yeah?
This one was not barbed.
Oh, this one here?
Yes. And even you can see in the X-ray.
This was in the leg?
Yeah, this was in the, this is the X-ray. Wow. Penetrating right into the knee, having gone through the patella tendon. The patella tendon is the tendon that joins the patella, the kneecap, and the shin, which is called the tibia. So it had also torn some ligaments inside the knee. But we were able to arrest the bleeding, we moved the arrow, and repaired all the tendons that were injured. And our patient is now stable. And God willing, tomorrow we start physiotherapy.
Yes, I really does him.
Yes.
Yeah. The president wishes you quick recovery.
Thank you so much.
And I've come here on behalf of the government to wish you well.
Thank you so much.
And to really encourage you and other officers across the country that this war must be won, despite the resistance, which is heavy. This is part of the resistance. And these criminals can run, but they will not hide. Yeah, I'm told they have been arrested. Where? Yes,
yes, sir.
Wamepatikana?
Yes, sir.
Commander, wamepatikana?
Wamepatikana, sir.
Wale.
Yes, sir.
So when are they appearing? They are appearing
in court today.
Very
We've
good.
Done a miscellaneous application so that we can
hold them a little bit more.
Exactly. And during the night,
yes,
we hand an all-round operation.
I'm told.
We've hand over 52 people arrested.
Yes.
In connection to the village that's involved in all this.
Yes.
And this is something that we are going to sustain, Your Excellency.
These criminals must know that you cannot attack police officers. And we will not allow it. And Commander, you must move swiftly and clean up that village.
Correct.
Yeah. Because this is impunity of the highest order, and it is not acceptable.
It's not.
Because these are officers who their work is to protect life and property. And when you go, you attack them now, that is an attack on the government. So it cannot be allowed. Yeah? So wewe Chief Inspector ungangane. Wewe ni dume bwana. Ungangane kabisa. Yeah. So hapa ukipata nafasi kupata nafasi tunakula matunda hapa. Ndio. Yeah. So wish you well. Na kutakia mema. Yeah, this is a card for you to get better. Na utasikia nafuu. I've just come to encourage you. And to know that we care for you. You know the reforms we are doing that will be implemented from July 1. We are even looking at the issues of insurance of officers who get injured in the line of duty, and the welfare of also officers who pay the ultimate price, the future of their families, so that they are not left in destitute. And all those things we are doing to make the National Police Force better and to create, to encourage our officers to go up to Yeah. So utakuwa sawa. Family wamekuja kuangalia. Brother, mama hapo.
Mama ni
This is the wife.
this is the wife. This is my elder brother. My younger brother.
Watoto wako sawa? Una machunga? Haya, nenda chunga hiyo watoto kwani mzee za we. Make sure they are comfortable na muendelee salama. Atakuja nyumbani hivi karibuni na anaangaliwa vizuri na tunashukuru sana. Sawa? Sawa ndugu. Alafu ukipona utakuja kuniona tunywe chai. Sio utakuja? Na ungangane. Wewe unajua hii dunia ni kungangana. Maisha ya mtoto wa kiume ni mlima kutoka kuzaliwa mpaka kufa. So hata kama mambo ni ngumu unangangana kiasi. Unajua hata mimi ndio mtu uniform. Ndio naona mimi nangangana na hii. Unajua sasa sisi vile tumekuwa train hata mambo ikiwa ngumu tunangangana. So tunaendelea vizuri. So okay, very well. Chili stock. Ngangana and you will get better. And utakuja kunywa chai. Sasa asante. Nitamwambia naenda kwa airport kumsindikisha akienda Angola. Asante. Asante. Thank you very much. Asante.